Hello children, in this part 2 of the video, we are going to work more on our concepts on parts of the circle. So second question, if you see, we have a diagram. So here we are going to see which is what. So we have to name. What is over here children? O is the center of the circle. What is OR and OT? They are called radius or radii. Plural of radius because we have two radius. So plural of radius is radii, OR and OT. Next one, shaded region B. Shaded region B, we can call it a sector children. Okay, just in part 1 of my video I explained, and you may call it minor sector. Okay, smaller. Shaded region B, so between shaded region B was sector, shaded region A. Region between arc and a chord, we call it segment. So this is a segment children. Okay, better we call this is smaller, so we call it minor segment. You can write better answer, minor segment, and rest is major segment. Any doubt, you just see part 1 of my video once more. PQ children is a chord. PQ is a chord. Okay, so even we know that diameter is also the largest chord. So PQ is a chord and RST children is an arc. Better we call it minor arc children because this is small. Okay, so sometimes we represent it like this. RST, we write an arc like this because not a straight line, this shows it's an arc, a curve. Okay, if you join with this RT, it's a chord. If I join RT, it will be a chord. Okay, PQ like is a chord. This region is a segment. This region is a sector because it touches the center. When chord passes through center, it's called a diameter. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we'll go to other one or two sum. Next, we move on to question number 3. We have to identify in this figure which is the center. You can see O is the center. There are 4 radii children. You see OA, OB. These are radii OA, OB, OC, OD. OC and OD. Then we have to identify the 2 diameter children. These are the 2 diameter AB and CD. AB and CD. So if your concept is clear from part 1 of the video, this will be very interesting and you will enjoy doing this. 4 chords children. First chord is AD. Remember the concept chord AD. This is BC. But so these are the 2 lines. Are this chord AB? Yes, diameter is the largest chord passing through the center. So we have AB as well as CD. Another diameter. Diameter are also chords and these 2 are chords. Once more, this is a chord, this is a chord, diameter is a chord and this is a chord. Point in the circular region. Whatever point you see children. A, B, C, D, O. Okay. F, P, Q, R. These are all points on the circular region. Nothing is exterior. You see, either it is in the boundary or inside. So circular region means including boundary, the interior of that. Okay, so these are the points. Circular region we have. These are the points. A sector children, see from center. ACF. OC, you can start from here also or here also. Okay, so we can call it AOCF or OCFA. OCFA. So, or AOCF, we can call it AOCF, this full region. AOCF means it tells this region also we take. AOCF, so you could have started with OCFA, but better to start from here. One arc also see here, one name is here, F, so AFC. AFC, and if you put a curve, it's better. AFC, this is an arc, minor arc, this is a major arc. You can call ADBC is a major arc. Okay, ADBC, sometimes we put points also. Okay, so there are 4 chords, 1, 2, 3, 4 points on the circular region. All points are there on the circular region. Sector we like this, AOCF, including center I told you. And an arc is this, children. This is an arc, the curve, the last one. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then we will do 1 or 2 small question about radius and diameter before we end today's lesson. Next we move on to the last 2 questions of this part 2 of our video. Here we have to find diameter if radius is given. So one just example I'll tell you with a diagram. If the radius is 4, children, diameter, so I'll write R is equal to 4 centimeter, D diameter is twice R. I've explained to you this before. So diameter will be 2 into R, 2 into 4, and diameter will be 8 centimeter. Okay. So if radius is 4, diameter is 2R. Everywhere we will do. So since this is the radius, diameter is 2R. So 2 into 7.5 centimeter, we get 15 centimeter. You don't need to draw diagram, children, when I explain like that. So if R is 14.5 radius, diameter will be double, children. Diameter is 2R. 2 into 14.5, we will get 29 centimeter. So this was when radius is given, we have to find diameter, we multiply by 2. Next one, children, just the opposite. If diameter is 6, let me draw for the first one diagram. If diameter which passes through center is 6 centimeter, this is diameter. What is radius? Half of that, 3 centimeter. So how we write? If D is 6 centimeter, so we know this formula you can take. D is 2R. So R you keep here is D by 2. Radius is diameter by 2. So here we get 6 by 2. This is 3 centimeter. So once more, diameter is given. Find the radius if diameter is given 6. So remember, radius is half of diameter. D is 2R, R is D. This comes here, simple equation we have done, D by 2. So we get radius as 3. So same way here, if your diameter is 18 centimeter, radius is D by 2, diameter half of that, radius is D by 2, children. So here diameter is 18, so radius will be half of that, 9 centimeter. Okay, then the last one, diameter is 8.5, so radius will be diameter by 2. So 8.5 centimeter by 2, you will get 4.25 centimeter if you divide. So 6 becomes 3, 18 becomes 9, and 8.5 becomes 4.25. So radius is half of diameter and diameter is double of the radius. So kindly pause the video and copy, and few questions which I have not done, you can try doing them. Thank you, children, for watching this video lesson.